Folks, it's that time of year again, where we say goodbye to the old and ring in the new. Well, if you've been watching my channel for a while, we're going to do it my style. 3, 2, 1. Well, it's now 2016. Happy New Year, everyone. That will be it. Alright, so I did something like this last year where I go over the setup, and I might as well do it again since it seems like a tradition by now. But anyways, the devices you see on this bottom row here and up to here, these are things I made test videos of. Well, videos based on the devices, let's just say that, throughout 2015. And a lot of the stuff you see here, I don't know where, probably up to, I think right there, is stuff that appeared in some of my supplemental videos, as I call them, throughout the year, accompanying these devices, pretty much. And some of these devices I just choose at random just so they could appear in the video. Now everything is powered by this. It's a Wheelock power supply RPS 2400. Now basically there's two 24 volt 2 amp circuits, and the way I have this configured is I have one half of the setup powered by one circuit and then the other half powered by another. If I tried to power it on one 2 amp circuit, that would not be good. I tried it last year, and it makes bigger stuff like this possible. I think this is actually a record. They keep getting bigger and bigger. This might be as big as they get. I'm not too sure yet. It's definitely very early to tell, but I counted. It's like 36 devices. So if you want to count it for yourself or rewind the video and count for yourself, go right ahead. But anyways, this is not about that. The point is, I want to thank you, the audience. You're pretty much my inspiration to produce the videos I do. Elevator videos, fire alarm videos, some of the other videos I produce throughout the year, for example. If it wasn't for your support, your viewership, and your interest in these things, I would not have as much inspiration to do them as much as I do. I'd probably still do them, but not as much. Anyways, another thing is, based on your interest for me to do a video like this, you inspired me to do this again for 2016, since you guys liked it so much. I mean, yes, well, it didn't take me all day to set up this time, but it took me a long time. But I think it's well worth it to see you guys enjoy it. So, without further ado, thank you so much, and I hope to look forward to the adventures I have in the year 2016. I mean, I had some cool adventures in 2015, fire alarm related, actually elevator related adventures, and some other adventures as well. I'm very sorry to see 2015 go, but I'm very excited to see what 2016 brings us. Here's one last look at the setup before I close. And that will be it. Thank you very much for watching. Whoops. That will be it.